Hello children, today we are going to learn about how does a bird fly. A bird has a light body made up of hollow bones and thin plates. The body has a strong framework of bones. Most of the bones have a special shape. Also, the body is shaped like a boat. The shape helps it to cut through the air. Okay. The body of the birds are shaped specially, and by the shape they can easily cut the air and fly through it. And their bones are very light and they are hollow inside and hollow, but the bones are very strong. Just as we have arms, the birds have wings. These wings have feathers which help it to fly. The wings are attached to the bird's body with strong muscles. These muscles helps it to move the wings up and down or forward and backward. Okay. Uh, as our arms, they have wings, and these wings have feathers, and the whole wings help them to fly in the air. And these wings are attached to the body with a strong muscle. By the muscle they can move the wings upward and downward or forward or backward, and by moving like this they can fly through the air. A bird's tail acts like the radar of a boat. It helps the bird to change its direction while flying. The tail the tail of a bird, it's acts like a radar help them radar help the bird. The work of radar is to change the direction, and the tail of the birds do the same thing. They change the direction in the air. Wing movement. A bird does not fly by simply flapping its wings up or down. The wings have two types of movement. Upstroke, the wings move upward and backward, and downstroke, the wings move downward and forward. Okay. Uh, the wing movement. They move the as you think they move the wing and they fly. It is not that simple. There are two types of movement, that is upstroke. This is upstroke. The wing move upward and backward. If they move like that upward and backward, they go forward, go up. And the other movement is downstroke. The wing move downward and forward. Then it helps the bird to move down. Feathers of a bird. A bird's body is covered with small and fluffy feather to keep it warm. These are called down feathers. The long flat feathers attached to the wing uh, and tail help the bird to fly. This is called flight feather. Okay, there are two types of feather. Here you can see this is down feather. Uh, this The work of this feather is to keep the body warm and cover the body with this feather. And this is flight feather. These feathers help the uh, bird to fly. So this is called flight feathers. Would you like to fly like a bird? Well, you will need wings and a tail to fly. Your body will have to covered with feathers. Okay. Next. Okay, the largest bird is the ostrich, and it is the heaviest bird also. But it cannot fly, but it can run at a speed of 70 km per hour. Nesting habit. Okay, now we come to the nesting habit of various birds. Birds build to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. Birds use material like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, wool, feather, hair, pieces of cloth, paper, and pebbles to build their nest. The eggs are laid in the nest. After some time, the egg hatch and the baby birds come out. When the baby birds are big enough, they fly away. Most parent birds also leave the nest. They build new nest when they have to lay egg again. Okay. Um, why birds build nest? Because they have to lay eggs. And birds build their nest with various things like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, pebbles, and when the eggs are laid in the nest, after some time, the eggs are hatched and the baby bird comes out. Then mm, the parent birds feed them, and when they big enough to fly, they leave the nest, and with them the parent birds also leave the nest, and they made next again when they need to lay egg again. Okay, next the tailor birds. The birds, the tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with material like thread and wool. This is why it is called the tailor bird. The nest is made cozy with cotton, wool, and hair or dry grass. Weaver birds uh, make their houses by tailor birds who made their houses by sewing two leaves with wool or thread, and that's why they call tailor birds. The weaver bird make a beautiful and strong nest with the twigs and grass. It weaved the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branches of a tree. The bird enters its home through the tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The weaver birds houses, make their nest with twigs and grass, and they wave the grass and make their nest like that, and they enter their nest in the bottom from the bottom of the nest. The eagle, birds like eagle and the vulture make nest by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of a swallow cup. Okay, the eagles made their houses by putting some sticks together, and it is shaped like a swallow cup. They lay eggs there. The woodpecker picks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. To make its nest cozy, it lined the hole with chips of wood. The woodpecker make the next a nest in the tree and made the tree trunk hollow, and they put some chips of woods to make it cozy. The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. Penguins made their nest with some chips of pebbles. You can see here, this is a nest of penguin. They simply made with pebbles. Okay, next, caring for the young. After the mother birds lay her egg, um, the birds after the birds lay egg, the mother bird um, keep the eggs warm so that it hatch first. After hatched, the baby birds come out and they are very weak and featherless, and they do not have eyes open. So the mother bird, the parent bird, feed them and feed until they um, feed until they learn to fly or collect their food at their own. Okay, uh, you can if you see any nest with egg, do not disturb them. And watch them very quietly. You can see the baby birds come out from the egg and they grow gradually. Okay, next, let us say it again. Birds have different feeding habits. Birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks and claws to catch, hold, and eat food. Birds also use claws to protect themselves and to move about. The type of beak a bird has tells us about its feeding habit. The special body features of a bird help them to fly. The birds build nests to lay eggs. The birds are looked after by their parents. Okay, students, that's all for now. We will continue the class in the next session. Thank you.